Hi there, so today we're going to be doing the daily maintenance on the FiltaFOG Cyclone unit. We have to empty the filter basket, so pull it out a tiny bit, give it a bit of shake in case there's any food blockage, and there'll be a fill of water so it doesn't leak down the side. Then pull it out, empty it into the bin, give it a quick spray out to make sure it's nice and clean. There'll often be food build up inside here, so you have to, once you sprayed it, you have to empty that food again to the bin. Place it back in. So now we pull this towards us and hold it there for 10 seconds. This is the silk valve. Finally, you take the lift up this part of the fog. This is called the fog cassette. Lift it up, and then you can open it up and you'll see how much oil there is inside. We'll take this over to the blue barrel, which is for the oil waste, and we'll use this corner down here and empty it into there. After that, place it back in. Make sure it's neatly on top so it doesn't leak out, and put that down. Once you finish that, use a blue cloth to wipe it all down, make sure it's nice and tidy. If there's a bit of water on the floor, make sure you dry them up to make sure no one slips. That's how you do the daily maintenance. You do that after every dive. It's as simple as that.